Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to pair or connect our OnePlus Nord Buds 3 with other devices like smartphone, laptop, etc. So let's check it out. We already published our unboxing and first impressions video along with other helpful videos. I'll share them in the description along with the product link. You can check it out after watching this video if you're interested. If you have a new OnePlus Nord Buds 3 or Nord Buds 3 Pro device with you, and if you're wondering how to pair this with your smartphone or other devices, then here are the steps. First, make sure you have enough battery on the Nord Buds 3. You can use the status light indicator to figure it out. Then make sure the earbuds are inside the charging case. Then open the lid like this and press the function button at the bottom of the charging case. It will be next to the USB charging port. Press this button for 2 seconds and it will blink like this. You can see the white color light blinking. That means it is ready for Bluetooth pairing. Now take your smartphone and go to Bluetooth. Here under available devices, you can see the OnePlus Nord Buds 3. Just select that. Bluetooth pairing request. Allow and pair. That's all. Now we have successfully paired this to this phone. You can see the battery percentage here for left side and right side. You can select this. One second. You can select this I symbol here to disconnect and unpair this. This is a straightforward way to connect any device with the OnePlus Nord Buds 3. But a lot of modern smartphones and earbuds support Google Fast Pair service as well, which is a quick way to detect Bluetooth devices like headphones or speakers and instantly save and connect them. We just have to keep the earbuds and the smartphone close and we will get this pop-up on the smartphone to connect. So these are the steps to connect and pair our OnePlus Nord Buds 3 with other devices via Bluetooth. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.